Welcome to my new episode. Today I am going to prepare a call, Galinha Peri Peri. It's a Portuguese dish almost, and these are the Portuguese who brought this dish to Goa. Not only in Goa, in African countries also, where they have been ruled, their colonies they had, in Mozambique, Angola, and also in South Africa. It's very famous in South Africa. If you go on the beaches, you will find everywhere is a peri peri sauce. Peri peri sauce is a very spicy and very fiery sauce, or you can say masala, very spicy. But it depends upon you how to cut the masala, how to create a dish also with that masala. Actually, they use the birds, we used to call a Portuguese chillies in olden days in Goa. It's called a bird's eye chili, or they say is a red devil's chili. Or in Swahili, they say in Africa, pepper. These are the chili called bird's eye chili. It's a Portuguese chili. It's very, very spicy. Nowadays, they use in Thailand, all the food in Thai foods and everywhere. But this is very spicy. They brought it and introduced it to Goa, this masala. We have taken over and we have added what we want to eat to make according to our taste. Like we added Goan vinegar to it and some ingredients, more garlic, ginger, all and other ingredients, spices to it, and made it according to our taste. So now I'm going to prepare it, a Galinha Peri Peri. First, I have taken the chicken. I made it boneless. This is the breast. I cut the chicken into boneless, separate breast. What I'll do it, I'll put the cut to it so that all marination will go inside. This is the leg. I remove the bone I remove the bone out of it. First, I'll just marinate the chicken with salt. I'll take 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of salt. Then I'll take half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I'll take half teaspoon of ginger chop, half teaspoon of garlic chop. Then I'll take finely chopped onion, 1 number, and add to it. Then I'll take little vinegar, just to say 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'll mix up this and keep it for some time. Suppose if you want, you can cut it into small pieces also to make as a starter to pass around. Small cubes like this, small pieces, and so that after cooking you can put out the toothpick and pass it to the guest. It depends upon you. Or you can make 4 pieces out of it, 2 breast pieces and 2 leg pieces. You can make, it's up to you. But I like to keep it whole so that it looks better. I have to take the masala, the peri peri masala to make. What are the ingredients goes in that masala? Instead of bird's eye chili, I use Kashmiri chili. Say about 7 to 8 chilies. Say about 8 to 10 numbers of peppercorn. Garlic, 5 to 6 number garlic, and half inch of ginger. Say half inches of cinnamon stick, 6 to 7 numbers of cloves, and little bit of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of turmeric whole. All this combined together and put in the grinder, in a mixer, and mix it with the toddy vinegar. Don't use water. Please mix it with the toddy vinegar so that it remains, masala doesn't get spoiled. You can keep it for months in the fridge. And grind it till it becomes like this paste. You will get like this paste when you grind this together all. You will get like this paste. By the time you keep the frying pan on fire, take the marination and add to the chicken masala to it. After mixing, you have to keep it, the chicken, marinated chicken, for at least 1 hour, at least 1.5 hours should be there in the fridge, or 1 hour should be there, so that the marination goes well inside and the chicken gets taste better of masala. I'll keep the frying pan on fire with the olive oil. See, 2 tablespoons of olive oil I have taken. I'll take the marinated chicken once the oil is hot and just grill it. Fry it till it becomes light brown in color. You should not cover it first, otherwise you will not get the brown fried chicken. The water will start coming out from the chicken if you cover it. If you keep it open, it will get better fried. Then once it's fried, then you can add it, cover it with the masala in it. Yeah, almost nice color is come. Turn it on the other side. See. By the time, take the little water and put in the marination. And mix the marination and keep it left over, so that you can add to the chicken afterwards and cover it. Now I will add the leftover marination to the chicken and cook it. Now I will cover the frying pan for some time so that it gets cooked well inside. Almost chicken is done, cook well. Now I am going to remove it on the platter. Chicken is ready. It can be eaten with bread or chapatis also, or of course if there is a gravy you can put a pulao also on the side, pulao rice, and eat it. It's nice taste, very well. And of course on the side there should be a salad on it, always, that goes better. Now I'm going to serve the chicken in the platter with, I made a small vegetable, a small portion of vegetable, just to put as a bed for the chicken, to keep the chicken on top. I made it out of turai. We can say turai bhaji, we can say turai fugad. And I made a salad made up of lettuce and bell peppers, that's all. And now I'm going to remove the chicken and put it on the platter, in the platter. Just put the sauce on the side. Chicken is ready to serve, and it goes well with the bread if you eat. And if you make it more sauce, gravy, you can eat with the pulao rice or chapati, you can say. You can eat anything with that. It's a little spicy and little sour, that's all. Thank you very much for watching this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it when you saw the preparation, and I hope you will do it at home. You can do it as a starter also, as a bite, small pieces of chicken marinated with this spice, and sauteed it and serve it with the toothpicks and pass it around to your guests. Or you can make the chicken into big pieces like this and serve it like this to your guests. Thank you very much for watching this episode, and God bless you.